Hello guys, today we make BAZLAMA bread. It's a kind of bread from Turkey, Turkish bread. So this video is for my Turkish friends. Sorry if I make some mistakes, but please let us know how we can improve our bread down in the comment. I read you the ingredients. So here in the jar I put all the dry ingredients together and I mix them. For this recipe you need 250 grams of flour, bread flour, 250 grams of remilled durum wheat flour, we call also yellow flour, 2 teaspoons of salt, 1 teaspoon of sugar. In the water that is 200 milliliter, I put 12 grams of fresh yeast. If you use dry yeast, you can use 6 grams. The difference is that probably you will need more time if you put less yeast, so up to you. Plus 150 milliliter of gram of yogurt, and at the end we will add a little bit of butter to oil our bread to make shiny, more soft and more tasty. So first of all I mix all the dry ingredients. Now we put like 5-6 spoons of the flour here in the other dish. I will add the liquid ingredient and I will start to mix from the center. When all the ingredients are mixed together, I will add 2 or 3 tablespoons of the flour that I put apart. When everything is together again, I will finish with the other flour. Very easy. You should work the dough at least 10 minutes after you make a ball with your dough. Should be sticky like this. We cover with a towel and we should wait that it double. So when the dough double dimension is ready. How long? 1 hour, 2 hours, depends on the temperature that you have inside your room. See you later. After 90 minutes, we put our dough on the top, we cut in 8 pieces and we make 8 balls. And now we should wait 30 minutes. Remember, when you do this kind of job, it's always better if the top of the kitchen is made with wood like this one. So after I will use this cutting board that is made with wood. So see you in 30 minutes. Some people to smash the dough use this one, but I prefer to smash the dough with my hands. I use this one when I done the Arabic bread, but this is different. This one is between the pita bread and the Arabic bread, so flat but not too flat. So we will use our hands. Like I mentioned before, it's better if you have a wooden cutting board or a wooden top. And to avoid the stick too much, you can use a little bit of flour, but be careful. If you put too much flour, after when you cook your bread on the pot, there will be smoke all over. Plus, we will oil the bread after that is done, and will not oil the pot. If not, you will fry the bread. Different kind of bread. Be careful. You put in the pot and you should wait 15, 20, 25 seconds. When it starts make some balls, we can say, some bubbles, we can turn. I don't know if you have noticed how it's soft. Spectacular. Okay guys, remember to subscribe to the channel, to leave me a like it, to share this video with your friends. Any suggestion, any question, always down in the comment. Especially if you are following the channel from Turkey, please let us know your advice down in the comment. Bye bye. Spectacular.